Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to record a Zoom meeting with both video and audio step by step. If you're a complete beginner and have never recorded a Zoom meeting before, don't worry, I'll walk you through everything from start to finish. Let's get started. First, what do you need? You need a Zoom account and the Zoom desktop app installed on your computer. Recording is available for meeting hosts, and depending on your plan, you can record locally on your computer or to the cloud. Step 1. Open Zoom and start a meeting. Launch the Zoom desktop app and sign in. Click New Meeting to start a meeting instantly, or schedule a meeting and start it at the scheduled time. If you're recording someone else's meeting, make sure the host gives you recording permission. Step 2. Check your audio and video settings. Before recording, make sure your microphone and camera are working properly. Click the arrow next to the microphone icon to test your speaker and microphone. Click the arrow next to the camera icon to choose the correct webcam. This ensures your recording captures clear video and audio. Step 3. Start recording. At the bottom of the meeting window, click the Record button. You'll see two options: Record on this computer or Record to the cloud if available on your plan. Choose your preferred option. Once recording starts, you'll see a small recording indicator at the top of the screen. Step 4. Make sure audio is being captured. Zoom automatically records your microphone audio, other participants' audio, shared screen content, and active speaker video. If you want to record computer sound during screen sharing, click Share Screen, then check the box that says Share Sound. Step 5. Pause or stop the recording. If needed, click the Pause button to temporarily stop recording. When the meeting ends, click Stop Recording or simply end the meeting. Step 6. Find your recorded file. For local recordings, after the meeting ends, Zoom will automatically convert the recording. Once conversion is complete, a folder will open showing your video file, usually in MP4 format. You can also find it by opening Zoom, clicking Meetings, going to the Recorded tab, then clicking Open next to the meeting. For cloud recordings, log into your Zoom account on the Zoom website. Go to Recordings in your account dashboard. Download the video and audio files from there. And that's it. That's how you record a Zoom meeting with video and audio step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.